How to recover your deleted Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how we can recover our deleted Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app. The thing is, we can only recover our deleted Facebook account if the deletion has been before 30 days. If you have crossed 30 days, you cannot recover the deleted account again. Now, to recover your account, simply go to the login page and add your mobile number or email address and password and hit login. After you type in your credentials, you'll be shown a page where you'd have to confirm your decision that you want to recover your account. Here, Facebook will ask that if you want to continue to retrieve your account. Just tap yes, continue to Facebook and your account will be recovered. And that's it. Now your Facebook account will be logged in and you can use Facebook as before. That's it for the video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.